Sweden, officially known as the Kingdom of Sweden, is a Scandinavian country located in Northern Europe. Here's an overview. 1. Capital, Stockholm. 2. Population, approximately 10.5 million people. 3. Language, Swedish is the official language. 4. Government, Sweden is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary democracy. The monarch is King Carl XVI Gustaf, and the Prime Minister is the head of government. 5. Geography. Sweden shares borders with Norway to the west and Finland to the northeast. It is connected to Denmark by the Öresund Bridge. The country features diverse landscapes, including forests, lakes, and coastal areas. 6. Economy. Sweden has a highly developed mixed economy with a strong welfare state. Key industries include manufacturing, telecommunications, automotive, pharmaceuticals, and forestry. Major companies include Volvo, Ericsson, IKEA, and H&M. 7. Education. Sweden has a well-regarded education system with a high level of literacy. Education is free and compulsory for children between ages 6 and 15, and higher education is also tuition-free for EU/EEA citizens. 8. Culture. Swedish culture is influenced by its history, geography, and Scandinavian heritage. It is known for its design, music, including ABBA and Swedish House Mafia, literature, including authors like Astrid Lindgren, and film industry, including directors like Ingmar Bergman. 9. Landmarks. Key landmarks include the historic Gamla Stan Old Town in Stockholm, the Vasa Museum, the medieval town of Visby on the island of Gotland, and the Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi. 10. Climate. Sweden has a temperate climate in the south and subarctic climate in the north. Summers are generally mild, while winters can be cold with snowfall. 11. Transportation. Sweden has a well-developed transportation infrastructure, including a network of roads, railways, and airports. Public transportation is efficient, especially in major cities like Stockholm, Gothenburg, and Malmö. 12. Environmental sustainability. Sweden is committed to environmental sustainability and is a global leader in renewable energy, recycling, and environmental protection initiatives. 13. Cuisine. Traditional Swedish cuisine includes dishes like meatballs, herring, gravlax, cured salmon, and cinnamon buns. The Swedish concept of fika, a coffee break with pastries, is an important part of Swedish culture. 14. Sports. Popular sports in Sweden include football, soccer, ice hockey, skiing, and athletics. Sweden has produced many successful athletes in both summer and winter sports. Overall, Sweden is known for its high standard of living, progressive values, and beautiful natural landscapes, making it a desirable destination for travelers and a comfortable home for its residents.